Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we'll be doing some shading practice, and namely with two pencil points. I'm going to work with a 2B and an HB to create some sort of image. So what we'll work is some still life, and to practice this I think the best way to do this is to try and do a cylindrical shape, or perhaps we'll try a bottle, or perhaps we'll try a vase. So sort of a pot to hold flowers, or just a decorative piece sitting around the house. The ones we don't touch. We usually don't touch in a long time, then we dust them off. So I'm going to go and put in perhaps some kind of table there, or so what I'm using is right now primarily 2B pencil. I know that it's not the ideal thing to sketch, but it does its job. I made that line along there too thick, so what I'm going to do is erase part of it because it compromises the entire exercise of utilizing both the pencil points anyway. So more or less a vase. So we have let's say that we have a light source coming in here, and I'm going to put in, let's give this guy a rim here. So if it's a cylindrical shape, we have to remember the principle is that it's more highlighted where the curvature begins. So it's straight here, at least this part, and it's cylindrical, so I'm just going along, and all with the 2B pencil. I'm just putting the tone in right there, but then we have to move along the curvature. And I'm just keeping on going back and forth, up and down, up and down, up and down, and in some cases I'm putting in some random light tones toward the outer edges here. And I keep going along that shape, essentially, before ending here. And then since this is perceived as another curvature, we'll just go a little bit like that. And there we have it. Okay, so 2B at work. Now accordingly, we'll just put in some kind of shadow here. Ideally, when we are doing these images, we work with different pencil points. I just went through in a different direction there. Straight more or less, so I'll cut that in. Sorry, I'm not working at a good angle today, but so more intense shadow here, and then spread out light source and accordingly spread out shadow depending on how long you wish to go. You could just put in some quick smudging there, and then make, again it will all depend on the light source and on the object that you're trying to base your sketch or your quick. And again, this is essentially a quick sketch. So I go on to the HB pencil, and what I'm doing with this is continuing the dark tone and working my way putting a little bit of extra tone there just to separate those points, and then a little tone here at the bottom all the way through, some tone here using the HB again, some tone here going toward the light just to fade it out a little bit. And then as a rule of thumb, just putting in some little more pressure here at the ends of the vase to, if I were to smudge this out a little bit, and you can see that with the 2 pencil points we have done a little bit to create this vase. And I'm going to also quickly around the bottle just put in some crosshatch. But essentially keep it like that actually to do this. So flat tip, just sharp enough, just go around. And just quickly coming back in here. And we'll see in a moment why we are employing this point. So I'm going to smudge it out rather violently, rigorously. Sorry. Violence and art only belong together if there's that semblance in what you're trying to portray in your image. So, beg your pardon, but right here I'm going to just get rid of those lines. And you might have guessed it that I'm going to get rid of some of that outline right here. And then just come in, sharp this round. Okay, so essential practice of using the 2B and just HB pencils to create some sort of image right here. Thank you very much for watching. Please do subscribe and keep in touch. Have yourself a wonderful day.